Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're making ramen. Well, that's a lie, because today we're just finishing it. I've been making ramen over the last 3 days, as there's a lot of cooking, a lot of stocks you have to make. You have to make dashi, you have to make your own chicken stock, and so on and so forth. But I'll show you all of that in a quick run through. But yeah, this is what you have to look forward to. I hope you can see it. Maybe we look in that camera. A wonderful bowl of Shio Ramen. Please click subscribe. That would help me. And if you want to keep being kept updated on content, click the bell icon as well, and you'll get notifications when new content is coming. And yeah, now it's time to do kind of a run through of what I've been up to for the last 3 days. And at the end, we'll see how the whole ramen kind of comes together. Enjoy it. Time to start putting all the pieces together. So we start with 2 teaspoons of chicken fat. I warm this up, so it's not spicing hot, but it's very hot. And 2 teaspoons of pork fat. Then we're going to have 2 tablespoons of shio tare. Rinse that quickly, because now we need 1 tablespoon of this katsuobushi salt, which is basically salt mixed with bonito flakes. So we'll get the double soup, which is half dashi, half chicken stock. Ladle some of that in. That should do it. Now it's time to drop the noodles. timed it for my noodles. It's about 45 seconds. They should be a little bit undercooked or on the al dente side so that they can finish in the soup. It's exciting, everything coming together. You need to shake them well once they're done. We got about another 15 seconds. So now they're done. Shake all the water off. I know it's not a classical ramen sieve, but I slide them nicely into the soup. We'll take one and we'll fold it over. Fold it over. There we go. And now it's time to decorate. Put 2 bamboo shoots. Well, I like them, so I'll put 3. 2 eggs. Get the pork belly going. Ivan says 1 slice, but I'm a pork belly fan, so I'm gonna get 2. So, and last but not least, some spring onions. So, we're ready to go. A bowl of Shio Ramen. Now all what's left to do is to taste this baby. Get the smaller chopsticks. All good. And as you all know, you need to slurp ramen. You need to eat it very hot. You need to get all the flavors in there. So was it worth it? The 3 days of work? Yes, definitely. If you have the time, there's not a lot of cooking time as such where you actually have to do the work. It's mostly kind of waiting for things to cook. I mean, the chicken broth takes around 6 hours, but during those 6 hours there's not that much to do. The one that's a little bit of work is for the Shio Tare, where Ivan makes a sofrito, so you have to cut a lot of onions and garlic and ginger and so on and so forth. But yeah, it's definitely worth it. It's an amazing bowl of soup. And now I'm gonna have to leave you because I want to finish this before it gets cold and before the noodles cook too much. Thank you very much for being here, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.